Good morning, students. It's a video of computer subject for class 10th, and today topic is e-shopping. E-shopping or online shopping is a process of buying goods and services from merchants who sell on the internet. Shopper can visit web store from the comfort of their homes and shop as they sit in front of computer. Okay, means e-shopping and online shopping is a process by which on which a consumer can purchase everything with the help of online, and it is very easy and very comfort, and it provide very comfort to consumer via a variety of items from online store. In fact, people can purchase just about anything from the companies that provide their product online. Book, clothing, household appliance, toys, hardware, software, health insurance are just some of the hundreds of the product consumer can buy from the online store. Means with the help of online e-commerce company, we can purchase various facilities and various items just like books, clothes, mobile phones, and toys, hardware, software, health insurance, and we can say that all the things are available on internet, and we can easily purchase that thing. Okay, uh, main thing why we use online shopping. There are some advantages of shopping. Yeah, we can say that online shopping, they are given here. uh, there are reasons behind the growing popularity of online shopping. कुछ reasons हमारे there are some reasons by which online purchasing is grow in India is very rapidly. Okay, first one is major reason to conduct online shopping is convenience. For example, when a person shop at a brick and mortar store, he and she has to drive the store, find a parking place, and walk throughout the store until she and he locate the product that she need. After finding the item she and he want to purchase, he may often need to stand in a long line at the cash register. In construct, online shopping help consumer avoid these disadvantages. With the online shopping, a person logs into the internet, visit the stores website, and choose the item they desire. Okay, means if you want to purchase any item with the bricks and mortar store, on that condition, you will go uh, on that place, and you cover a lot of distance, and you also find the uh, parking stand where you park your bike and a car, and after that you visit that products, and you purchase. After that again you got a long line where you on the cash counter. After that you and after that you purchase this product. There are very uh, uncomfortable. Okay, these are the disadvantages of real disadvantage of shops of bricks and mortar stores. Okay, but in case of online purchasing, you could purchase anything. Just you open a e-commerce website. After that log on it and you select the item, and after that you can pay the amount online after, and pay amount of that product online, and you and after few day you will get it. It is more convenience as compared to real store. Okay, students. And and next advantage is next advantage is you can purchase any product in online 24 into 7 hour. Means you can purchase any product and any item in with the help of online at night, at morning, at afternoon, doesn't matter what's the time. Okay. Equal accessibility of products means all the people get equal items and equal prices in all over cities. Doesn't matter if it is a metro city, it is a simple city, and even as a blazers can, and even as blazers you can purchase any product in anywhere. Online product is available in all the places. Doesn't matter it's a metro city and villages. Okay, students. And we also know that, and e online shopping is also has some disadvantage. Why the reason some people don't use the online shopping. Okay. Actually, in India, maximum people are, and sorry, some people are like to physically touch that product. After that, they are think we can purchase it. This is also disadvantage in the case of online shopping, and no one can touch that product in a. Okay, this is disadvantage. And next disadvantage is advantage is if you want to purchase if you want purchase any product in same day, that is not possible in online shopping. If you um, if you want any product in same day, if you want any product by in same day, but in case of online that is not possible. If you give an order to any product, that product will be uh, that product you will get at least 1 and 2 days after. Okay, this is also disadvantage. And next one is some people in India, they are think if they are doing the online shopping and his information is stolen by any hackers, and that is also disadvantage. And next one is some people are in India and all over India and all over world, they are think any product any product that is available in online shopping, online e-commerce website, that is not real. Means in online product and real products may be different. This is also disadvantage. And and last one is consumer has really on body measurement in order to make sure that cloth will be fit properly. Some consumers are not um, some consumers are not think some consumers are think if we purchase any product with online, uh, that product, that cloth may be not fit on body. This is also disadvantage. Okay, that's all for today. In current time, there are a lot of e-commerce website where you can visit and purchase any product. like Flipkart, Mantra, Amazon, and Snapdeal. Okay, there are a lot of e-commerce website where you go and visit and purchase any product. That's all for today. All the students, if you want video of this pages, you can go on description box and you will get the PDF. And please subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, then you will get notification when I upload my video. And that's all for today. Thank you, students.